Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something really exciting. Casekoo just dropped their new lineup of cases for the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. And guess what? They were kind enough to send me a dummy iPhone 17 Pro along with a couple of their latest cases so I could test them out and give my honest thoughts. Let's dive right in. First off, packaging. Casekoo kept it nice and clean, nothing over the top, just simple straightforward boxes. Honestly, I kind of like that. It feels minimal and professional, which already sets the tone that the real star here is the case itself. Now, I've got two models to show you today, the Cosmic Orange Titanium Magic Stand 360 degrees and the Deep Blue Matte Magic Stand 360 degrees in this beautiful deep navy. At first glance, both designs look really sleek. The orange one definitely has the pop of color. I can totally see it pairing nicely with the rumored orange iPhone 17. And for those who like bold and unique looks, this is going to stand out. But personally, I'm drawn to the navy blue matte finish. It's minimal, modern, and just gives me the premium vibe. Alright, let's try them out. Starting with the orange case on this white dummy iPhone 17 Pro. Wow, that actually looks better than I expected. The contrast really works, and if you're someone who likes to add a bit of personality to your phone, this combo hits just right. The grip feels really solid in the hand too, not slippery at all. That's one thing I've always appreciated about Casekoo cases. Now let's talk about their famous titanium ring stand. This is where Casekoo really shines. The ring rotates a full 360 degrees so you can set your phone up in basically any viewing angle. Perfect for watching videos, scrolling TikTok, or even just propping it up on your desk while you work. But here's the kicker. The ring also has MagSafe built right in. That means you can attach MagSafe power banks, wallet, chargers, you name it. It's versatile and honestly one of my favorite features. Okay, let's swap it out with the Navy Pro Matte Magic Stand case. Oh yeah, this one's definitely my favorite. First thing I notice is the texture on the side. It's anti-slip, so you get that extra grip without it feeling sticky. Plus, it's resistant to fingerprints, stains, and scratches, which is huge for me because nothing annoys me more than constantly wiping smudges off your case. The button cutouts, super responsive. They have that nice tactile click when you press them, not mushy at all. And then there's the camera lens shield. This is built to give your camera some extra protection. So if your phone ever takes a fall, the lenses don't take the hit first. Speaking of protection, Casekoo says this case is rated for drops up to 16 feet. Now, I'm not about to go throwing this iPhone 17 off a balcony, but just feeling the build quality, I believe it. This thing feels solid and durable without being overly bulky. And here's a neat little detail. The case has Casekoo's patent engraving, showing that it's the world's first 360 degrees rotating stand case. That's something you don't see every day. And it just adds to the premium touch. After using both, I've got to say Casekoo nailed it again. Both cases looks amazing, feels premium, and most importantly, actually protect your phone. You're getting style, functionality, and durability all in one. And for a phone as expensive as the iPhone 17 Pro, this isn't something you want to chip out on. The best part, these cases are only around $35 as Casekoo Amazon is running up to 33% off limited time sale. So if you're picking up the iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, I highly recommend checking this one out. I'll leave the product links in the description below so you can grab one for yourself. That's it for today's review. Huge thanks to Casekoo for sending this over. I'm genuinely impressed. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which color you'd rock on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.